Above and Beyond is kind of quite an unusual project, particularly in the sense it's a long-term project, and we are really hoping to use the arts to bring social change and social empowerment with what we are doing here. So it's not just us coming in for one session, but it's really about working with the community. It's all about co-production, so it's about listening to everybody really from 0 to 99 and finding out, what are their needs, where can we kind of support, and how can the arts be used to really help the community here.
We wanted to set up a co-produced project where we work with the community to establish what they want to do and then trial things with them. Where they've set up a new academy where we launched beatboxing and parkour and fused them both together. And we're working primarily with the young people of Penrhys.
Cabin is going to be helping me because the way Dean teaches us new stuff every single time he comes here, I think when I grow up I'm going to be a famous beatboxer, because I need.
My favourite thing about the project is kind of just meeting everyone in the community. I've never really had that with work before, where I've been given the chance to get to know everyone first. So I had a good 2-3 months of just doing a bit of beatboxing, but chatting to people, getting to know everyone's names, which is amazing. And I feel like I'm part of Penrhys now.
We've been learning in beatbox and so how to do certain things like boots and cats and then in parkour like jumps and rolls and it's basically coming together and being as a community and being kind of not friends but being part of each other. It's friendship, stuff like that.
So as someone who was born in Penrhys and spent some of my teenage years growing up in Penrhys, I think there's a lack of opportunity and exposure to the arts when you're from a disadvantaged area. As it's always been considered, you need a plan B. If you want to be a creative, it's oh yeah, well, what's your plan B? I think if we can kind of drive that you don't need a plan B, because there are people like those that are in a position that are full-time creatives. So for me as a full-time creative, to be able to go back to a community that I spent some of my childhood in and be guys, there's opportunity to do this if you want it. So if we just go, look, these are the tools you need, just go away and play and do it.
I've enjoyed that we've all had teamwork and trying hard. I've learned that when someone can't get it right, you shouldn't laugh at them, you should support them.
I've learned to, whenever someone's can't do something, cheer them on so they can get more confident, so they don't feel that they can't do it.
We are going to be taking the Amps Up Academy, which is roughly around 15 young people from Penrhys, to the Sherman Theatre in Cardiff to perform what they've been working on with the artistic team. So this fusion of the beatboxing and parkour. It's really exciting because it'll be the biggest platform that they've had so far. So we're really trying to nurture them in this journey as they launch into their biggest sharing.
I'd say they wouldn't have the opportunity to do things like this by having other professionals to coming in and seeing them that they've got potential, they can do things, it just needs somebody to help them. So it's a good example for them now to know that they can achieve anything in life if they put their mind to it, determination.
So how are you feeling about this?
Kind of nervous, because there's going to be a lot of people there.
I feel nervous, but excited.
So they've just performed their piece that we've created in the intensive, and then we've been carrying on working on it for the, we started off with 8 dancers and now we had 17 in the end. So it was amazing to bring them all down, bring them to the Sherman and then launch the academy properly today.
I really enjoyed the performance because we was all trying our best and everybody was cheering on.
Would you do it again?
Yeah.